The future of medicine in India lies with improving the rural health. Plexus Cardiac Care, a unit of Agile Cardiac Care Private Limited, recognized by Startup India DIPP 64534 Rajkot, has started an innovative initiative called Saurashtra Ki Dhadkan Rural Heart Clinics, which are based on the ethos of kindness, compassion, and care for all. In India, not many villages have an easy access to cardiac hospitals or even doctors. When it comes to heart issues, time plays a crucial role. Getting the right diagnosis of a heart attack and consultation at the right time can save many lives. Plexus Connect is an imperative part of our project called Saurashtra Ki Dhadkan, where we diagnose heart attack and consult patients from various rural parts regarding the matters of heart health. Reaching out to last mile villages is our ultimate dream. Our journey began with the vision of Miss Khushbu, who wished to create a rural digital health ecosystem, first in Saurashtra and then slowly across India, which will have a positive impact on the rural healthcare system. Also, we strongly believe that women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. That's why our promoter director, Miss Khushbu, is committed to create a culture of women entrepreneurship, employment, and empowerment. More than 60% of our employees are women. Our company is committed to women's safety, motivation, and empowerment. Constant skill development of our employees is also our USP, where we help employees grow in their career path. Plexus Cardiac Care, with its Saurashtra Ki Dhadkan rural project, has set up the digital heart clinics to offer utmost medical consultation to the village patients free of cost. We also collaborate with general practitioners to provide cardiology consultation in all emergency. Not just this, we have also equipped these clinics with required medical machineries and technical support. It's basically a clinic in a box. The Rural Digital Clinic has a 12-channel ECG machine, blood pressure equipment, and an Android mobile phone to diagnose, consult, and provide emergency heart attack medications, which can help in the crucial hours during a heart attack, with consultation from heart doctors at our Heart Command Center, leveraging medical technology to reach out to last mile villages. Till date, we have created 25 rural digital heart center clinics, and we are planning to develop 500 more in next 24 to 36 months. We have achieved glorious success in this project so far. More than 1 lakh ECG scans have been done in our centers, and more than 50,000 emergency heart patients have been consulted and treated under Saurashtra Ki Dhadkan project. Our ultimate goal is to support the Government of India in their rural health programs and initiatives in the best manner we can. Also, we have the Plexus Connect app, which is quite a simple and easy to use telemedicine doctor's app. You just need to download our app Plexus Connect from the Google Store. Mention your health issue and our medical professional will get in touch with you through video calling. It brings the most experienced and knowledgeable cardiologists right at your doorsteps. So, you can consult with best of the doctors at any time and at free of cost. At Plexus Cardiac Care, we are saving lives and empowering villagers with our heart clinics. So, come and join us in this campaign to save lives. Plexus Connect, because we care.